Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to send money from your TD bank account to Bank of America? You can do it quickly and securely with TD Global Transfer. Here's how. First, register for TD Global Transfer. If you haven't already, you can do this right from the TD app or through EasyWeb online banking. Next, get an estimate, pick the destination country, in the case the US, then enter the amount you want to send. Now choose how you want to send it. For Bank of America, select send the account using TD Global Bank Transfer. Time to start your transfer. Confirm your info. Then either select an existing recipient or add new details for the person you are sending to. Double check everything, then confirm your transaction. And done. You can track your transfer anytime in the transaction history section of TD Global Transfer. Want more help? Check out step-by-step tutorials in the TD app or on EasyWeb. Sending money international has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.